What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists out of Baltimore. I'm here with Chris from Dentless Touch to go over my go bag idea. Currently use this bag as my go-to for body shops. I carry everything in it that I almost use on a daily basis. I was saving a ton of time when I started grabbing this bag. You can buy the bag at Home Depot. It's running in between, if you get it on sale, around $50 to $85 price range. This is how it looks without any tools in it, right from the store. Got an awesome hard bottom, keeps all your stuff dry if you're in a wet environment. I use the front flap, as you can see, to hold the Dent light. Different compartments, zip pockets, elastic to hold tools and paddle tails. Then you have your larger compartment that's going to hold all of your larger rods, door tools, stuff like that. I'll give you a little breakdown on what I carry in my bag. We obviously have the good old James Lee Dent light. Little wax, little polish if you have that scuff on the panel. You open this up, very first zipper, the magical toe cut. I carry all my knockdowns inside this front pocket. Some rubber tips. Inside I have multiple whale tails, hand tools, edgy hookers in here, and I even use some R&I stuff. I try to make this bag to where I don't have to go to my truck. If I'm in a setting and hey, I need a screwdriver or I need a panel popper, it's in here, so I don't have to make that extra trip. Then in this upper, like I said, we're using all the door tools, whale tails, all of that stuff. I wanted to make it as convenient for you to where you can just grab, not make a million trips to your truck. So that was the biggest thing, the main reason that I came up with this. Kyle Violet from Dent Wizard posted something like this on Facebook, and I kind of took it to another level and have been using it ever since. It's been about 2 years that I've been using it. I can't say anything better. I mean, it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. So this is my go bag. Check it out for time saving. Thanks, guys, for hearing me out on my go bag idea. Super efficient. If you're a body shop guy, a route guy, it really is a great idea. If you have any questions on it, Facebook, Instagram, RPS Dent Repair or RPS Dent Specialist.